Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gunfire Reborn game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, won't start, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the issue. If not, again come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So you have to wait for some time. After the verification is done, you have to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. So NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow Gunfire Reborn through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, and after that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. Click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, click on OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, now try to launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam, click on settings. Now click on downloads. After that, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache beside clear download cache. Click on it and you will get the notification. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So simply confirm it and after that again log into Steam and then click on the play button to check whether you can play the game or not. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager. Under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You have to simply select them. After selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. Once you've done this, now try to play the game and check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go to the link that I have already given in the description, copy and paste it in your browser. Website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the file is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it and wait for some time. Once it is completed, close this and now restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will search for the update available on Windows. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. This will help you to resolve the problem. Next is to install DirectX. So for that, go through the link I have already given in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. The website opens, click on the download option and this will download the DirectX on your system, you simply have to open it and install it. After installing, restart your PC once and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to run game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So if you cannot find it, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once you add it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Gunfire Reborn game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, now launch Steam and again reinstall Gunfire Reborn game once again and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to fix Gunfire Reborn game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, won't launch, won't start error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.